Today we are going to discuss how to disclose server version from the NGINX server. You know that, right? Server version and server name will be displayed in the response header, like the properties called server colon, then NGINX, and then slash and the server name. So because of the server name and the server version, hackers or someone will be can able to hack our website or your product easily. So to avoid that, so you can disclose your server version, or you can remove the server property from the response header itself, or you can give custom name for your server. So like normal NGINX server, if it is hosted in Elastic Beanstalk, sorry, EC2 or somewhere, you can go and edit the etc NGINX configuration file is there. So conf in this file you have to open, and there will be lot of context like HTTP, then server under location. Okay, location. So the server will be like server version part. The location will be the URL or contact URL oriented things. So there you can go and edit, and after save you can reload your NGINX server, so it will automatically reflect. But in case if you are deployed in the Elastic Beanstalk, how we can do that we will discuss here. So Elastic Beanstalk is nothing but every deployment, so every time the instance will be created automatically instead of manually. Everything is taken care by AWS services. So this and the Elastic Beanstalk, we are going to discuss Amazon Linux to EC2. This is the structure of it going to be there. So there are three, as I told you, there are three ways to disclose. One is the server version we can disclose, another one is this entire server property and value we can remove, or we can give custom server name like this. So this is the Amazon Linux Linux 2 instance. So this is the structure, your application file. So the elastic when you are deploying with Elastic Beanstalk, you have to create this kind of flat directories like .eb extension. So here will be saved the configuration file, like what are the software you have to download, like normal commands and container commands, what kind of softwares that you have to install, and what are the packages you have to remove. Those things you can clearly get it from this AWS documents link I am providing here. Another one is the dot platform. This is the main configuration NGINX. If you want to overwrite the existing NGINX configuration file, whatever the commands or configuration, you can write directly here, or only you have to extend those commands. You have to create under confd. So whatever the file name is your wish, but the extension should be dot config. Same thing, one more directory you can create, Elastic Beanstalk. There also you can create, if you want to extend something, there also you can create your rules. That's what I told you, right? This is for override. For if you want to extend server oriented context, so you have to here write. If it is location context, you have to write everything from this Elastic Beanstalk handle. So the this is hooks like configuration hooks, pray build, pray to play, any sh command you can file and write, so it will work automatically as I told you, right? So this is the HTTP, the context HTTP server, then location. So here in the inside HTTP only they included whatever the configuration you are including under config, so it will be automatically taking. That is why I'm telling server oriented things you have to write in the under server context under directory. If location oriented like this is the path information for this particular path or particular this URL path only, these are the things has to be reflect. So those oriented things you can write under this elastic beanstalk dot configuration extension. So this is the way, like the first step, to version disclosure you have to include this line for any custom configuration file, but extension should be conf. Second step, for you can by this line you can remove entire server property and value from the response header. Step 3, some third party NGINX extra package you have to install. So after that you have to override this existing file with load this configuration file, then set whatever the header you have to set, that name will be displaying here. So the configuration everything I am given to this NGINX configuration file for step 3, so you can download and you can get it. Remaining documentation also I have attached here. So this URL link I will be attaching in this below URL. So please read properly and you can do yourself. So thank you. If you interested this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.